Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a registered nurse, and today we're going to talk about blood pressure. So every year you should get a physical and get a baseline of what your blood pressure should actually look like. So if you've for years had 120/70 and all of a sudden you're 90/40, that's a concern from a doctor. Or on the other spectrum, 200/100. So you want to consult your physician to see what your baseline is to start out with. Then they'll adjust medications or put you on a medication according to what you both discuss and come up with. They will also give you parameters of what to look out for and how often you should be taking your blood pressure. Some people get so nervous that they start taking their blood pressure over and over again, say every 10 to 15 minutes, which can actually make your blood pressure go up higher because you're causing a release of adrenaline. So follow your doctor's advice on how often you should take it, how many times a day, how many times a week, and if there's any fluctuations, you report that to your doctor. Your doctor should give you a list of symptoms to look out for high or low blood pressure. These involve things on the end of high blood pressure, headaches, usually that are centralized around your forehead that wrap around, spots in your vision, or even swelling, especially in your lower extremities and feet. That could be some problems with circulation and your heart. With low blood pressure, you should really look out for dizziness, wooziness, very exhausted feeling and tired, just want to sleep all day. And these are some tips for high and lows for blood pressures. So different things that can cause high blood pressure. And one of the number one causes is cardiac disease, which you should consult your doctor and see what you can do to help with that. Other things like your diet, being overweight tends to make blood pressure go higher. Pain, if you're in a lot of pain the majority of your day, your blood pressure is going to go higher. Or even, people don't think about it, but if you're taking your blood pressure when you have to use the restroom to urinate, that will make your blood pressure go up. So when you're gonna go get your blood pressure taken, use the restroom, eat something, don't take it on an empty stomach, and maintain a good weight throughout life. You wanna do things that will help relax you. They say yoga helps, or different meditation, and there's other ideas of watching your cat walk around, or fish tanks with nice and smooth moving fish, not sharks, on a fish tank can actually lower your blood pressure. Just things to calm your system down. All right, so some things to look for causes of low blood pressure. If you get your blood pressure and it's really on the low end, think about what you are doing. So if you just took your pain medication, it's going to be lower, or anxiety medication. Also, if you're dehydrated, a lot of times your blood pressure will go a lot lower. You drink a bottle of water and it'll go back up to normal. So those are some causes that you want to look out for, and consult your doctor if you are experiencing any problems.